So one other type of numerical you see in parallel plate capacitor is called as interleaved capacitors. Now, when you start doing arrangement of capacitors, you see series, then you see parallel, then you see series plus parallel, but then you come across a typical construction of capacitor called as interleaved capacitor. Now, if you look into an interleaved capacitor, it's basically many mini capacitors are built inside a capacitor. So what you do is, if you see the diagrams, you have interleaving, something like this. Each spacing between the two leaves is called a capacitor, constitutes a capacitor. So if you see the diagrams, you can see the interleaved capacitor mentioned here, and you can calculate the number of these spacings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you calculate the number of spacings, it will tell you how many capacitors are there. But there is a general expression also, which you see on the top, which I picked up from Wikipedia, is on capacitance of this system, how to calculate the equivalent. The factor of n minus 1 is very important. It tells you how many spaces are there in the plates. You count the number of plates, you subtract it by 1, you get the number of spacing, and hence the equivalent capacitance of an interleaved capacitance system. It is nothing but parallel plate capacitance put in a different format so that the space occupied is less. Thank you very much.